This for sure will give you gains.
What's good, Playboy? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to get a chiseled jawline. As y'all can see, I've been working on it. It's not all the way there yet, but we gonna work on it together. The way we gonna get this chiseled jawline, I've been doing my research, I've been seeing people do it. We gonna use gua sha. That's what we gonna use. I know y'all probably be seeing the girls using these, bro. They for us too.
You see that? It's gonna help you get that.
I'm gonna show y'all my technique, what I do, and we finna get these gains in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today, I'm gonna show y'all my gains. When you have a stronger jawline, you're more conventionally attractive per the internet. I'll show y'all my routine. So basically, you need to get like an oil of some sort or a moisturizer, or you could use water, just something to make sure that you're not gliding the gua sha on dry skin. You don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna take some oil, create an area for this to be a smooth glide. So put it all where you finna put it. We're gonna take the gua sha and start from down here and just go up like that. 1, 2, 3. And then you just keep going. We're gonna do 20. And the main part is this part right here. You wanna dig that into your skin. That's the part that you really wanna dig in, because that's really going to give you that chisel. So we're gonna do 20 going that way. You're gonna take this part of it right here,
And you're gonna slide that part and then stop right there. So stop at the bottom. 20 times. This for sure will give you gains. I kind of move my mouth to the side to like really pronounce my jawline to make it easier. So make sure that you're doing that. All right, so after you do that, you're gonna do the other side too. You wanna do 20 times going that way. And then we're gonna take the smaller part and do the same thing that we did on the other side for the bottom. You could just rub the rest of the moisturizer. If you put like a lot of moisturizer, I put a lot on for real. You can just rub it into your face for real. 14 days, I'll be back at y'all in 2 weeks with my gains, my results. We doing this every day. Again, 20, 20, 20, 20. A strong jawline is a strong man.